Prepositions. In this video, we will learn prepositions. Let's start the video. Now, what is preposition? A preposition is a word that tells you where or when something is in relation to something else. Its definition: a preposition is a word or group of words used to link nouns, pronouns, and phrases to other words in a sentence. Some examples of preposition are single words like in, at, on, of, to, by, and with, or with phrases such as in front of, next to, instead of. Here are some more examples of prepositions: in, on, at, under, between, among, up, down, before, after, with, and above are all common examples of prepositions. Additional point: prepositions and postposition, together called adpositions, are a class of words used to express spatial or temporal relation or mark various semantic rules. A preposition or postposition typically combines with a noun phrase, these being called its complement or sometimes object. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.